So let's continue. Okay, so we want in week one basic discussion. So as you know, all the weekly folder, whatever you complete, then basically you are done. So let's say we just click week two here, then week two case, this is a topic you will study, and then textbook, and this is the homework question. The same structure basically. You will see all the videos here. Click that. Then you see this video you need to watch for absolute value inequality. And these are the video. Basically, you understand the rectangular coordinate like that. Then you can just use the textbook as a reference, also read it, and then you can solve this homework question from the workbook. Now, week two discussion we have like that. Please answer your, just create your thread and submit it. So same thing, click that and create a thread. And so you see all the question here. Based on that, just write your answer on this box and submit basically. Then later on, I will grade your thread. Okay. Sometimes I also respond your question, your thread as well. Now, each weekly work is in due coming Sunday. So, one example, week one is January 29th to February 7th. I know January 29th is on Friday, but then week one is too short, so I just combine the week one, the short amount of time plus next week that I count as week one. So week one ends February 7th, which means all this work, your homework and discussion must be submitted by February 7th at 11:59 p.m. Okay? So in this case, please don't wait until the last minute. Okay? So week two, then you understand week two due date and due time will be February 14th at 11:59 p.m. Week three, same thing. February 21st at 11:59 p.m. like that. They all work this way. Okay? And then whenever we have extra contents such as exams and midterm and final exam, I will make another announcement. Okay, then I'm gonna go back to our PowerPoint slide and then review other parts. So you may wonder how to complete the course with a higher grade. So here is the factor you better do it. My strong recommendation. First, complete the weekly assignment on time. So I emphasize, the due date and due time will be coming Sunday at 11:59 p.m., right? So let's say you try to submit maybe 11:57. Sometimes internet doesn't work and something happen, then it doesn't upload correctly, then basically you lose the due time. Then unfortunately, it will be counted as the late submission. Then you get deduction point, 30% from the homework and 20% for each exam, but not the final because the final case, there's no makeup. Exam case, based on your circumstance, I can give you makeup exam with a different date and different exam, but still, you will only get maximum 80%. Okay? Now, also complete discussion board. I'm not gonna give you any deduction point, but this is 10% of your overall grade. So it is really important for you to complete discussion board. One example, the last semester, some student kind of neglect to complete discussion board problems, and all those people couldn't get A. Okay. If I remember correctly, the highest grade they got, it is like a B plus. But it is kind of true, right? So 100 minus 10 means 90%. So which means if you neglect and don't work on discussion board, then you already give up 10% from your overall grade. So please complete discussion board and complete each exam also on time. So I emphasize it from here. So medical exam is available only if you have a decent reason. Okay, but still get 20% deduction points. So you better just plan better and then always complete each exam on time. Now, number 3, attend the virtual office hour, hopefully regular based. So you have a chance to review difficult question with me. And then also you can discuss any issue with me. And the virtual office hour will be announced on the blackboard here. Okay. So, the reason you better utilize this hour. So based on my record, whoever attend my virtual office hour in the regular based, all those people, they got A. I want to say mostly got A. Only one person got C. Okay. So, during the virtual office hour, sometimes you start doing some homework question. Sometimes you want to ask some difficult question with me. Then we can discuss everything during this hour. Okay, so please attend the virtual office hour. As I told you, it will be announced on the blackboard. And do not wait until the last minute. I think I mentioned that once already, but if you wait that, then it may cause you are getting deduction point because you missed the due time. Many of my former students, they try to submit a weekly assignment or even discussion like exactly at 11:57 p.m. or 58 p.m. because they know the link will be closed exactly at 11:59 p.m. right? And sometimes the internet gets slow, and then sometimes you know it cannot upload correctly. Then it turned to late submission. The late submission costs deduction point. And then also another one, if you rush to complete it, like my recommendation, if you plan better and then maybe start working on homework and discussion, maybe timely manner, like a Wednesday, Thursday, like a before Sunday, basically. Then you don't have to rush. And then you can spend enough time to think the problem and solve it. I mean, if you don't have enough time, then at least you commit with yourself one day to do it and just to do that so that you don't have to rush basically. If you rush, then rushing means lower grade. It's always happening. The last part is how to contact or meet your professor. So one thing, join weekly Zoom meeting, the basically virtual office hour. Okay. If you are not available during the virtual office hour, you can email me. Then I will set up an individual meeting based on matching my available time and yours. Okay. So this time I never ignore my students needs me. So if you let me know, then I will respond to you. Okay. Now I just posted 2 different emails here. The reason I'm doing so, I'm getting many email on my BMTC email account. So sometimes I may missed reading your email. Okay? But professorjklee@gmail.com, this is only for my students. So if you email me through this account, then you are guaranteed that I read your email. And then if you request me, then I can respond to you promptly too. Okay? So I really hope you have great semester. And then I also hope this orientation video help you to understand how to progress this online course so that you can all achieve higher grade at the end of the semester. All right? And thank you for paying attention in this video. And then I really hope have a great semester. Bye.